Clean lines, wide openings, and a truly modern look. This is our 3-panel aluminum sliding door system, designed for open spaces that demand elegance and simplicity. With one fixed glass panel and 2 smooth sliding sashes, it creates a broad, uninterrupted view and maximizes natural light. Perfect for living rooms, balconies, or commercial spaces where you want a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. Built using precision-engineered aluminum profiles, premium rollers, and European standard locking systems, this design guarantees smooth operation, strength, and long-term durability. Minimalist, stylish, and built to impress. It's the kind of door that defines modern architecture. If you'd like to know the cost or need a site visit for accurate measurements, simply comment quotation below or chat with us on WhatsApp. Our team will guide you personally and prepare a detailed quotation for your project.